Hi, and welcome to a quick overview of the brand new system that Autosoft has implemented called Business Intelligence. This gives you, the business owner or the business operator, the functionality to be able to make informed, intelligent business decisions based upon what's actually going on in your business and be able to drill down into the information that you need in a fraction of the time that you would typically expect this to take. Let's take a look. This is the customer sales dashboard, and what this has got is sales by territory and a breakdown of that information via a graph, and the same with groups, so you're broken down by group. So if we drill into this, you can see that this now comes in on a year-by-year basis, and if you want to then drill into a particular year, you can drill further into the year. If you wanted to see what the 68 invoices were for those particular transactions, there's the 68 invoices. You want to drill into an individual invoice, you can see the invoice itself. So as you can see, you're drilling in level by level by level really quickly to see the exact information that you want to see. We've got things like customer sales by salesperson and yearly sales by customer. And if we scroll down a bit further, you've got the group sales as well. So if we wanted to see the 237 exhaust jobs that have taken place, these are those exhaust jobs, and you can then drill down again into the individual information on each of those individual jobs. If we jump into the accounting dashboard, this has got the debtor balance and the creditor balance as two tiles here, the sales year by year graph, and you've got the general ledger sales information by different means. So you've got it by department, you've got it by totals, you've got it by broken down by year by month, and all those sorts of things. You've also got this profit and loss, which is a fantastic breakdown on a year by year, on a month by month basis. So you can see exactly all the sales that have taken place, all the profits by month, and you can drill down on those. So if you want to go into your 2012, you can see all the sales and cost of sales, expenses and other income. And if you want to drill further into that as well, so for example, if you wanted to see all of the transactions that related to, purchasing protective clothing, there's the transaction that took place. In that case, only one transaction, but it could be lots of different transactions. So if you wanted to see all of those drilled down, you can drill down into them and see exactly the transactions that take place. So again, some really powerful information. You've also got some drill downs as well, so you can do a comparison on year if you like. And so if you wanted to just see the year on year for 2009 to 2000 and 2011, you can just pull up those particular years if you want to. So again, some really powerful info. In the workshop side of things, this has got the sales broken down by a number of different ways. So in here we've got the sales by body type. So you can see the different types of body types, the number of transactions, the dollar sales and so on. There's a graph of it. You've also got the sale by sale type. So if you wanted to see the retail transactions, you can see all the breakdown of the sale types. By the job types that you do, you can see sales by group by month. So if you wanted to see all of the fuel system jobs, you can drill into those, and you can see in 2012 there's $204 worth in February, which equates to one transaction. So again, some really powerful information. So labour sales by group, so the different types of groups that you've sold, and the labour sales or general sales by vehicle make. So if you wanted to scroll down and look at, for example, all the Toyotas, you can see the breakdown of the Toyotas there. And if you wanted to see those 6 transactions on Orions, you've got those 6 transactions. So if you wanted to then drill into that further, there's all the breakdown of that particular invoice that was taking place against that Toyota Orion. Really quick to, now I'm doing this in real time. This is what you see is what you get. This is really quick information to be able to handle this sort of stuff. You can also then get a graph of salespersons. So you've got, again, salespersons by year, you've got graphs of salespeople and so on. Now that just gives you a really quick overview of what this dashboard can do and this business intelligence can do. And Autosoft see this as the stepping stone to what we're going to do in the future, and we want to expand on this and create new graphs, create new pieces of business intelligence so that you can get the kind of information that you want from your business intelligence and get it at the click of a button and get it extremely quickly. And further to the business intelligence dashboard, if you jump into the stock master file and pull up an item code here, we've got this business intelligence against an individual stock item. So for example, if you wanted to see the sales of this particular item and the breakdown of invoices and credits on a month by month and year by year basis, you've got that sort of info. the product by salesperson, so the product sales for this particular product and a graph of this particular product. Similar things in the debtors master file. So if you pull up a debtor in here and go to the business intelligence, this will then give you the business intelligence for this individual customer. So, for example, this gives you the transactions that have taken place, a graph, customer sales by salesperson for this specific customer, what group of products this customer has purchased, and you've got graphs and all that sort of information for this sort of stuff. You've got a similar thing in the salesperson's area as well, and we're planning on implementing this into various other areas of the system as well. So this is just the first version of this business intelligence, and we want to get this out to you. We want to get your feedback about what you think this is all about, and what sort of things that you think that we can add to, and how we can improve this and make it better and make it your life better and make things happen for you. So we're really excited about the opportunity that this brings, and the kind of information that is in this sort of business intelligence style, and the kind of value that this is going to provide for you as a business owner. So there you go, that's just a really quick overview about what this can do. There's a lot more info, a lot more detail which we can go through when we have some training sessions and that sort of stuff once the system's implemented. And as you can see, even in that few minute overview, you can see how powerful this information is and how valuable this will be as a business resource to your business.